Can you tell us a little bit more maybe about like your matchmaking process, how it looks like, your normal matchmaking day and how
hmm
match up maybe
hmm
is beneficial for you, maybe some specific features or
Sure.
specific examples, just for our customers, for
Yeah,
our
sure.
visitors. Maybe you'll give some tips from that.
Yeah, sure. Smart Match is really a tool that organizes all the information for me. And so it's a little bit of everything. We document in there. We obviously put profiles on there. We'll use it to organize information. We use the calendar feature as well for all of us to kind of to see everything at once. In terms of a usual day, I'll talk about my assistant a little bit because she does a lot of the nuts and bolts. And so what she'll do is she'll look overnight to see if anybody's joined. And if so, she'll go on and she'll enter them into the system. Sometimes we've been having people join online and automatically a new profile is started. So she kind of starts the day with kind of looking at all the new information we have, and then she'll populate more. She'll reach out to the clients. She'll get further, important information, what they're looking for in somebody. Are they looking for a friendship? Are they looking for a romance? That kind of thing.
Are you interviewing them one-on-one? Like, are you?
Yeah. Yeah. Eventually, after she gets all of the nuts and bolts in order, then I will interview them. And, Smart Match has all of my questions on there, pages and pages of, questions for a profile that we have. And that's usually, that structures my interview with them. Sometimes for certain type of members, we have two different kinds of members, a premium and a basic. And so the basic membership is really just the database people to match other people with. And so those people, they kind of go straight into it through a form that we send them. They'll fill out their own profile. And it goes right into the system. So it's a little bit for everything. Eventually what happens is those basic membership people, I will do a short interview with them to get to know them. All the information we use, such as their profiles, we will put in there, and the background searches we will put in there. So it's a little bit of everything that we're kind of combining to make up their profile.
It's a lot of work, isn't it? Matchmaking, it's not a walk in the park, right?
No, people do not understand the amount of time and effort that goes behind all of this at all.
It's very personalized process. I mean, we have hundreds of matchmakers all across different
Yes.
industries, and it's basically very laborsome process, very
Correct.
personalized process. And I think double that when you talk about people with, in extremely shy, like in some cases, or
Yes.
autistic,
Yes.
but double the joy when make that match, right, Jill?
Oh yeah.